We'll guide you through how to fix vibrant visuals grayed out in Minecraft Bedrock. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Vibrant visuals are a really cool graphics option in Bedrock. Essentially, they go and make the game look like you've got shaders. They go and add shadows, different lighting effects, and I think it's a really cool addition to the game. So you're struggling with turning them on. We're going to guide you through how you can go about fixing this, and hopefully they'll no longer be grayed out, and so you're then going to be able to go and use them. Make sure it's full guide and don't go and skip anything in case you go and miss an important step, as we're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing. So without any further ado, let's go and dive straight into this. So you can see at the moment, I'm in a Minecraft world. You just go remember how it looks like. What we're going to do is go and pause it. And if we come into settings, we scroll down on the left and you go and find the option for video and go and click there. You can go and see here, we can't go and switch. As you can see, it goes and says vibrant visuals requires a supported device and compatible marketplace content. So what we're going to do is we're going to come out of here and you'll want to go and press save and quit like so. Wait for this to go and take us back to the menu. And then what you can do is press back in the top left. And what we're going to do here is go and press settings. And you want to scroll down on the left in general and go and press video. Now, as you can see, the option hopefully will be available when you do it from the main menu. So essentially, if you try and change it within the game, it doesn't go and let you. And that's just part of it. So try coming to the settings through the main menu and then you can click and hopefully go and switch, as you can see. And if you still find it's grayed out, don't worry. What we're going to do here is we're going to come and close out of Minecraft. So I'm going to go and do that now. Now, what you want to do is go and right click somewhere on your desktop in some blank space, and you can press display settings. Alternatively, you can open up your settings by pressing search at the bottom and typing them in, press system, then go and find display. Then what you need to do is go and scroll down and you want to go and find related settings. You need to go and find the option for graphics at the bottom like so. Scroll down here and we need to go and find Minecraft. So you can scroll down or you can try typing it in. Hopefully it does appear there, but you can go and scroll down and go and find it. So I can go and find it. It's alphabetical, so we can click on it, press options. Now what you want to do is make sure it's gone set to high performance. In some cases, usually on laptops, there can be an built-in integrated GPU, which you don't want to use, and you go and have a dedicated one. So you want to make sure you're using that dedicated one, select it and go and press save. And then what you can do is close out of this and you can press search at the bottom and we're going to go and open up Minecraft Bedrock again. So just go and wait for it to go and launch. Press Bedrock to the left and you can then go and press play and now it's going to go and launch. Now from the main menu, you can return to your settings, press video to the left and hopefully now you can go and select vibrant visuals. What you can also do is then choose your preferences here. I like to go and set these all to ultra as you can see. And at the bottom here, I like to go and have these three switched on as well. Now what you can do is you can come and press play and come into your world. And it's pretty much now loaded and hopefully now you're managing to go and use vibrant visuals and go and enjoy the amazing look they go and give you. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.